Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a different video, like different setup because I'm here at my boyfriend's house and I just needed to film this super bad and super quick because I'm leaving after this video. I need to leave the house. This is gonna be my haul or PR haul for the month of September.
So fucking done with all the games you play.
I received this around last week of August and then itong first week of September. And medyo hindi naman siya ganun karamihan, but I just wanted to do it real quick because I don't want it to be super late again sa kanila dahil I feel super bad when a brand trusted me na bigyan ng products nila and then pinapadala nila sa akin ASAP tapos ako nai-stuck sa bahay ko for a long time, like for 1 to 2 weeks late. And I feel super bad because syempre binigyan ka na nga ng products tapos late ka pa. So paano ka nilang itatrust na you can do it if late ka palagi, right? So yes, ang dami ko na namang hanash. Pasensya na guys if the lighting is like this. I'm using natural light. I don't have my lights with me here. And I'm working. I worked last night and I'm working tonight. So I don't really have time to really, set all the things up. For now, let's just focus to the haul because medyo lumiliko na naman yung kadaldalan ko at nawawala na naman tayo sa focus. But so yes, this is yun yung explanation kung bakit iba ang products, iba ang background natin. So let's just start the first box that I have with me. This is from the brand Pearlies. If you guys remember, one of my haul, napakita ko na sa inyo yung Pearlies na packages ko, I think, or sa Instagram lang yun. Hindi ko na maalala, pero sinendan ulit nila ako ng second box. So, let's open it up. Medyo nakalimutan ko na kung ano laman nito, pero nabuksan ko na to just to check if the products are okay. So, yeah. So, when you open it up, I don't really remember if napakita ko na sa inyo yung first box, but those includes, but if not, just visit my Instagram. You will see my post there, my flat lay of all the Pearlies products that I received. So, when you open this up, there's a card here again, like information about all the products. And then, here is the box looks like. They are ready for fall. And I think I'm ready to, and I'm excited because I can now use all my fall anik-anik for my flat lay. Kasi ito September Skincare Awareness Month, Pearlies Beauty Through Asian Wisdom. Thank you, Jenny. She's the owner and she's the CEO of the brand. Sobrang thank you. Hindi ko pa siya na-meet in person, but I saw her during Ipsy and BeautyCon. I saw her like medyo malayo kasi nasa stage siya nun. So, this second box, they sent me this Pearlies Coconut Oil plus Coffee Sugar Body Scrub. Smooths, exfoliates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes all skin type. Ayan siya. Hala. And super bait nila, guys. Kasi parang namali yata sila ng email sa akin one time that they thought I haven't received my first box yet. And then they emailed me that, disregard the first email. But if you are, or if you need a refill or you wanted to try something from Pearlies, feel free to email them and they will send it to me, and they are super generous and sweet na kailangan pa nilang sabihin sa akin yun. So I'm super excited about this one because hindi ko pa yata na-mention sa inyo guys that I'm suffering from back acne. I don't have acne on my face. I have whiteheads, blackheads on my face, pero wala ako yung mga tagyawat na may tana. Pero sa likod ko, marami silang problema dyan sa likod ko. And this one will help me because this is a sugar body scrub. I only use a scrub for my face, pero ayan, meron na akong gagamitin for my body. So thank you, Perlice. And they sent me another Perlice Prevent Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. I tried this before and I super love it. But I only tried it yun sa sample size from my Ipsy. So they sent me a full size. And ito yung tsura niya. And last but not the least on the package is this Perlice Prevent Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum. And is the product look like? It's an eye cream or eye balm. Oh, eye cream siya. Ayan. Pasensya na guys, yung lights ko hindi kasi yung ganda nung lights ko sa room na pag... Ay! Nakaluhod ako guys. Na pag tinapat ko sa inyo, napofocus. Dito hindi. Nawawala tayo sa focus. Pero yes, eto siya. Ayan siya. Hindi ko nabibigyan ng justice. Ayan, na-focus. Ayan siya. Ito yung isa. At ito yung isa. So, thank you guys. Thank you, Perlice. And thank you, Jenny, for sending me another box full of good goodies. I'm super excited to try them out. And I will let you know ASAP if how I like them. And maybe a full face using all of the Perlice product on my Instagram and here on YouTube. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys are interested of ordering from them, I will put the link down in the description box. So it's easier for you guys to just click and shop from them. I don't have a discount code for you guys, pero I will talk to them and I'll ask them if we can have some para naman makasave lahat ng nanonood ng videos at followers ko on Instagram. So yes, thank you. Next naman tayo is this box. Ayan, may nakalagay na fragile. Okay, this is the second. Parang nahuli to sa mga pinadala nila. I think hindi siya nagkasya dun sa first box na pinadala nila. So, they sent me another box. And meron siyang mga paganito. Yan yung styropops na ganyan. And this is from the brand Bioderma. Thank you, Bioderma. They sent me a full collection of their skincare. I already did a 1-minute video using all of them. But this time, this is their Purifying Cleansing Foaming Gel. So, this is for washing your face. And here is the product look like. Super nice ng color niya. Green and blue chorba. And I'm excited to use this. I haven't tried this one yet. So, thank you, Bioderma, for sending me another box. And next na tayo. And here is the box. Looks like plain white. So, when you open this up, oh, I received this yesterday. Oh my God. I'm super happy about this one, guys. And I'm part of Yes2. So, meron silang letter for me and this was handwritten. Sobrang nice. I always collect this stuff because I feel like this is kinda like achievement for me. Siguro kunyari yung mga artista pag nanalo ng award, di ba meron silang what do you call that? Ay, nasabaw. Pa-trophy. Ako naman, since nung nag-start ako sa Instagram, YouTube kasi talaga yung in-start ko. Tapos nag-Instagram ako, doon ako nakilala ng mga brands and I'm really thankful for that. 1 year na ako sa Instagram and ang dami na rin achievements na dumating, ang dami na rin products and brands who trusted me to review their products and to try them and to showcase to all of you guys. So, for this brand to reach to me, I'm super, super happy. This is Yes To, and it says here, Hi Christine, thanks for saying at Yes To Natural Beauty with us. We hope you find our products to be the perfect addition to your skincare routine. So Yes To. Love it, snap it, and share it. So eto yan, 'di ba? Kino-collect ko to talaga, and I'm thinking of putting it sa wall, like, alam mo yun, remembrance. So eto yung picture. So, ito yung box niya. Hindi ko pa nga nabubuksan kasi I wanted to save it for you guys para sabay-sabay tayo makita ko ano ba yung laman nitong box na to. So, let's be careful with this sticker. Dito na lang sisirain na. Medyo OC tayo mga beshi. Pero, ibuhos ko na lang para masave ko yung ganito. Hoarder ako, guys. So, yung mga ganitong something-something, tinetreasure ko. And, yeah. Kasi for sure, in-effort nila to pack that for you. So, in-effort ko din na wag siyang like sirain. So, they sent me this Yes To Coconut Hydrate and Restore Ultra Hydrating Paper Mask. I always see this at Walmart and Target. Next naman is the new Yes To Grapefruit Brightening for Dull and Uneven Skin Vitamin C Glow Boosting Bubbling Paper Mask. Next naman is this Yes To Cucumbers Soothing for Sensitive Skin Calming Peel Up Mask. And this dual-ended mask tool, and I love that it's sealed, guys. So you know that you will be the first person talaga na gagamit nito kasi sealed, guys. Ang cute naman. Like, it's the tool for you to easily put your mask on para hindi ka na madumihan yung hands mo and all that. And last but not the least, ito, I've been wanting to try this one pero hindi ko pa siya mabili. I don't know, nakakalimutan ko siyang bilhin at ayun. Pero ayan, pinadala na nila ako ng Yes To Tomatoes, Clear Skin for All Skin Types, Anti-Pollution, Detoxifying Charcoal Bubbling Mask. Ito, akala ko wipes. Oh, wipes. Bubbling wipes pala, sorry. So, all their products are cruelty-free with love from California and manufactured at Pasadena, California. So, yes, thank you, Yes To, for sending me all of this. I'm excited to try all of this to you guys. So, stay tuned for my 1-minute video on Instagram. So, okay, another box naman, it's from, I think, medyo, hindi pa to kompleto, pero ito yung first box na natanggap ko. This is from Neutrogena naman, ito yung box niya. And, when you open it up, ayan siya. May paper, may card, yung bubble wrap, saka yung product. This is the Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Spot Treatment. This is Dermatologist in Office Acne Technology. Treats breakout fast, clinically proven 2-minute acne treatment. Ayan siya. Meron ako nito yung acne mask or like facial mask na may ilaw-ilaw din pero hindi ko pa nasubukan. So I'm excited for this because this one is like on the spot. So if you guys have like isang spot lang ng tagyawat, pwede mo siya siguro i-treat lang ng ganyan for 2 minutes and then ayun, medyo magsusubside na yung pamamaga niya and all. So, I'm excited to try this one as well. I don't have a pimple on my face, pero siguro dito yung breakout ko. Yung maliliit, baka naman, pwede rin yun. So, it says here, light it up, pop up pimple, put top breakouts on the spot. The Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Spot Treatment. And you can visit them on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Neutrogena and hashtag Neutrogena Light Your Way. So, thank you, Neutrogena, for sending me this. And, last na tayo for this haul. This is from... Oh my God, I lost the box. This is from the brand Hermosa. They have Instagram, guys. I will put their link down in the description box if you guys wanted to check them out. Or their photos here on my side para you can follow them if you guys are interested of trying this out. They sent me this. It's super rapidly kaya kailangan ko siyang buksan really quick para mapakita sa inyo. So here is the brand. I think it's an indie brand. This is the Hermosa or Hermoso 24K Gold Mask, brightening, moisturizing, and rejuvenating. And this is made in USA. It says detoxifies, no filler, restores skin to natural state. Natural products promote healthy, youthful skin and rejuvenates healthy skin cell. I cannot talk. Oh my goodness. Yan siya. And it's a gold mask. Oh, it smells so good! Ayan siya. May takay pa siya, so hindi ko naman nabubuksan. Oh, it reminds me of my grandma in the Philippines. I remember when I was, bata pa ako, my grandma used to love skincare. I wish nandito siya ngayon, 'di ba? Sa Philippines kasi siya. Sobrang hilig niya sa skincare. Like, sobrang sipag niyang mag-skincare every morning. Pag maliligo sa middle of the day, skincare. Tapos sa night is skincare. Like, ito yung amoy ng kwarto namin noon. Like, ang bango-bango. Like, sobrang fresh. Sobrang yayamanin. Hindi ko na alam kung ano ba yung skincare niya noon. Pero, yeah. Sobrang social lang amoy. So, yes, that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Sorry if medyo parang rush. Sorry guys, pero babawi ako next time. So, if you guys like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below so we stay connected. And as always, see you on my next video. Bye! See you on Instagram as well. Bye!